Hello my friends, today I want to show you how I make money with my hack for game Higher with Lower for 1xbet. And look at this guys, I show you my link, my official Telegram channel, Cheat 1xbet group and me, Cheat 1xbet. Look at this link, Cheat 1xbet group and my link, Cheat 1xbet. Okay, I show you actual date and actual time. Okay. Now I'm go to Google Chrome, search 1xbet 1x games, and look at this guys. Look for first link. This is official website 1xbet. Look, I show you real world 1xbet. Okay, and now I'm go to game Higher with Lower. And I show you how I win money with my hack. Look at this, guys. Look, refresh page. Look at this, mine account on 1xbet. I show you my actual balance. Fresh date and fresh time, you can see. Okay, and now I show you that my hack install. Look, extensions. Higher with Lower hack for 1xbet install, you can see. Okay, and now I'm place a bet. And I show you how I win money with my hack. I show you how I win. And look at this. My official Telegram channel, Cheat 1xbet group, and me, Cheat 1xbet. Okay. Look guys, look at this. This is over. Yes, you can see this is over, and I'm press over, and yes, I win guys. I win. Look my balance. Okay, I'm place a bet. Look, this is under. Yes, I show you this is under. Okay, I win. Okay, next time. This is under. Yes, you can see guys, this is under, and if I press under I win, but if I press over I'm not win, I'm lose, and I'm press under. Yes, you can see guys, I win. Look my balance. Yeah, perfect guys. I'm place a bet. Look at this guys. This is over, and I'm press over. Yes, you can see guys, I win. Place a bet. This is over. Yes, you can see, and I'm press over, and yes, I win. Look my balance. Yeah, it's really good guys. My hack is work perfect. Yes, and I win money with my hack. And if you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. If you want my working hack, write me. So I show you how I win money with my hack, and now I'm withdraw my money with my working, on my Visa card. Look. Okay. Okay, guys, look. I win this money with my hack. Yes, you can see. And now I'm withdraw my money on my Visa card. Yes, and I show you my hack is work perfect. And if you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. If you want my working hack, write me. Yes, and look at this guys, I show you this is real world 1xbet. Okay, status approved, I'm withdrawn my money. Bye bye.